Hey, hi everyone. We're heading to Patrol Spring. You guys should watch us for this video. We have nice content. Nature, spring waterfall. You will enjoy it.
So there you go guys, we are now going to Bato Spring. As you can see, ito na yung pinaka-entrance niya, papasok doon sa resort. So bumili lang kami ng ice dito para sa drinks namin. Pwede kayong bumili ng mga kailangan nyo pa. Pero may store din naman inside. And there you go.
As you can see guys, we are at the entrance now. It costs 200 peso for a day tour, 300 peso for overnight stay, and it's free for kids below 2 years old.
Ito na yung ice namin with drinks. So, dadalhin namin siya. Ito yung parking lot, guys. So, malaki yung parking lot nila. So, ito yung papasok. Naglalakad na kami. And there you go. That's our friends. So, there. Pumunta kami dito, guys, weekend. So, ang daming tao. Pero yung video na ginawa ko dito, nag-try ako ng weekdays. So, here, ito yung pool area nila. Ang dami kasing tao pag weekend. So, there. Expect a lot of people during weekends, guys. So, there. And this time, we are walking going to our cottage. So, there's a lot of cottages here. You just have to choose kung ilan kayo and how much. Ipipin ko na lang yung rates nila. So, there you go, guys. This is the falls, as you can see. And again, this video, I took it during weekdays. So, there's a few people. So, there you go, guys. Okay. Super lamig ng water dito. Ito yung parang pinaka-last part nila. Crystal water. 3 feet lang yung lalim niyan. So, pwede yung mga kids talaga dito sa area na to. So, yeah. And then, as you can see the crystal water, guys, is so nice. So, that's those small falls. And there, as you can see, the crystal water. 10 over 10 talaga yung lamig ng water dito. So there, as you can see, those waters are fresh, coming from the mountains. So there. Wow. Sobrang mag-i-enjoy kayo dito, guys. So that's our friends. And there. Super nice view, crystal water, cold water. As you can see, they are enjoying. That's my husband enjoying the little falls. So there. Alright, as you can see here. Super lamig ng tubig, guys. Like 10 over 10 yung lamig ng tubig dito. Ito yung area. Pinakamasarap talagang pumunta dito is during weekdays. Konti lang talaga yung tao. Lalo ngayon, may pasok pa yung mga bata. So, I suggest pumunta kayo dito ng weekdays talaga. Kasi kapag weekend, super dami ng tao, as in puno yung falls na yan. Wala ka nang mapestuhan. Pero yung lugar na to, napakaluwang. Marami ka pang pwedeng puntahan na swimming pool. Pero yung swimming pool na yon, water din galing sa mountain. So, diretso lang yung tubig. So, there. Ito yung part na may falls na medyo mahaba siya. Super lamig ng tubig dyan. At the same time, meron ka siyang kasamang hangin. So, ang lamig lalo. So, yan. Yun yung falls. Ito yung medyo taas niya. Ang ganda, ang super lamig. Super fresh ng water. Wala siyang halong chlorine or anything. Fresh na fresh talaga. So, I know mag-i-enjoy kayo dito, guys. Super nag-enjoy kami dito. Kahit yung kasama namin na baby, tumagal din talaga siya sa lamig. So, there. O, diba? Ganda-ganda nila. So, ayan, guys. So, plan your swimming with tropa and family. For sure, mag-enjoy kayo. Pwede kayong mag-overnight. Ang rate ng overnight is 300 pesos.
Actually done now.
Yeah, we are done now. We have fun. It's
Yeah.
nice. We meet a lot of locals. You know, they tell us.
So many
But-
things about the Baltos Spring.
Yeah, it's
So-
fantastic. It's very nice.
So if you're
Just-
actually thinking of somewhere to go and have fun,
yeah,
Baltos Spring might be another option for you. So you
Laguna, you
Yeah.
guys visit.
enjoy your weekend. So happy weekend, guys.
Thank you guys for watching my content. This is my first video. So if you guys wanna go somewhere, just check my content out. My content is based on traveling and tours, okay? So I'm gonna keep you guys updated.